Hello and everyone, welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So this is going to be the CAD yen update because we are, watching this chart very closely. Yeah, and we can say that CAD yen is doing exactly what we were expecting it to do at that top. All right. So let's look at the previous, video analysis quickly, and then we're going to look at the update, what to look for on lower time frame on the CAD yen. Drop on the CAD yen. All right, couple of more breakouts can happen. All right, so this flat formation still can push higher for another leg, okay, like that, and we may see another flag before going to drop, okay, and then it can push back to that top. So yeah, we still can see a couple of more new highs within that channel before we're gonna see a drop on it. Okay, as said in the previous previous video analysis on the CAD yen, you are watching all these previous top within that channel and looking for CAD yen to drop after forming the highs within that channel. Okay, so we already formed two highs within that channel. All right, 1 and 2 or 3 more highs may appear over there. All right, so you are watching this previous high or new high. Okay, if new high comes, okay, you are watching that new high and looking for that new high to start dropping aggressively to the downside on CAD yen. Okay, so this is the formation which I was talking about in my previous video analysis, that it may appear. All right, so it's appearing right now, and the price action which I was trying to explain in my previous video analysis, you are having that price action. Okay, and pattern is just simply appearing over there. So a couple of more flags, 1 or 2 more flags may appear over there. Okay, like these previous one. Okay, and we already had 1, 2, and the third one is there. Okay, we may see 2 more flags, 2 or 3. Okay, 2 or 3 flags I have drawn on my chart already. All right, so we may see a couple of more flags. Okay, then the highs. Okay, you're simply watching this previous high. If price goes beyond that new high and again go for a flag, okay, and then drop, or start dropping after forming next leg, okay, aggressively to the downside, and go all the way to the downside, all the way back to the weekly, or test this daily flag. All right, so you're simply looking this move, okay, go all the way, can go all the way back to that low, hopefully. All right, so that was the previous video analysis, and let's straight away go to the lower time frame. Okay, so we have seen that flat formation, and we have seen another leg higher. Okay, the leg which I was talking about in my previous video analysis. So we are within that channel, or within that formation, the formation which I was talking about on the CAD yen before we had that formation. Okay, even this formation wasn't there, and we were talking about that formation to appear over there, this pattern to appear over there. So we are having that pattern. We got the correction, we got the next leg. Okay, we had the flat. All right, and we are having another leg higher, the leg which I was talking about in the previous video analysis. Okay, so hopefully you understand that how price action appears over there, how you should follow that. All right, so what's next? Okay, so next is very much simple. All right, as explained in the previous videos. All right, so you are simply looking for another flat over there. Okay, flag. All right, now flat or another flag like that. All right, that flag. So this flag, it's tradable. Okay, so you can trade on this move up to that. All right, after watching price action there. All right, and once price comes there, you are simply looking for this to hold and go back up for another leg. Okay, test that top or slightly go beyond that top, and then start falling aggressively to the downside from that top. Okay, we may see another bullish leg over there within that channel before going to drop for longer term to the downside. All right, but as said in the previous video analysis, okay, you're watching all these previous highs within that CAD yen. Okay, so yeah, so this might be a last flag within that channel. All right, for longer term to the downside. Okay, so you are watching it very closely. All right, and if price fall very aggressively, okay, and correct over there, then I have drawn correction. All right, then go down for longer term to the downside. All right, all the way back to that bigger flat. All right, if sharp sell, okay, the way I have drawn over there, if sharp sell is not coming, okay, then you are simply looking for another correction, another flag like that. Okay, and that flag to come back within this, test the trend line, okay, and push up at another leg. Okay, very much similar like that. Okay, test this previous top or go break that previous top. Okay, and then start falling aggressively from this top. Okay, so I'm expecting that this is going to be the last correction within that channel before we're gonna have a bigger drop on it. All right, so we are close to the reversal on the CAD yen. All right, or almost on all yen pairs. Okay, so we are about to see a drop on strength on the yen pairs, okay? And you are watching that very closely, that top, okay? And the move or the wave you are looking, yeah, you are looking that to drop all the way back to this low, okay? So this obviously this is not going to happen within one day, all right? That bigger move, it will take some time. Yeah, so I'm expecting a very sharp aggressive move to the downside, all right? Once that sharp sell-off comes over there and confirm that the longer term trend is going to reverse, I mean bigger weekly trend is going to reverse, all right, then you are looking to just keep adding more all the way back to that low, okay? And yeah, this is the formation you are looking, okay, on 4-hour time frame. Once price confirm this sharp sell, all right, and aggressive sell, a couple of more, you know, corrections on your lower time frame, and price to go all the way crash up to that low very aggressively, all right? Okay, so hopefully you understand that. Another flag, all right, so price is setting up for another correction, for another flag, and that's tradable, all right? This is tradable. If you don't want to trade this move, okay, then for bigger wave to the downside, if you don't want to trade now, all right, and want to wait for this next bullish wave, small bullish wave to end, all right, and after having that, then you want to trade to the downside, okay, then let this to happen, all right, and let this to happen, and then start you know, selling once price complete that, all right? And also, all right, so I'm showing, you know, short-term buy opportunity as well, and longer-term reversal on the CAD yen. Okay, so this is a short-term buy opportunity which is possible, all right, once this correction completes over there for another leg higher. Okay, so tradable, okay, this is tradable, that is tradable, all right? And obviously the bigger move which I'm, you know, expecting on the CAD yen for the downside, okay, and that's obviously tradable. Okay, actually we are, you know, waiting for the bigger move to the downside rather than, you know, these small moves, all right? But if you understand, all right, the way I'm explaining this chart, you should have traded on that, okay? You should have traded on these small moves for the upside, all right? Okay, so thank you. We'll see you back again in another, you know, setup. Until then, bye.